To assist with speeding up your treatment planning, we've added an alignment tool in the software designed to align multiple teeth at the same time. To use this tool, select multiple teeth together by holding down the Control key on your keyboard and then single-clicking on the teeth you'd like to include. This will turn the teeth blue. In the Tooth Movements table to the left of the model, click on the word Alignment, and you'll notice the highlighted teeth will adjust and align according to the adjacent teeth. To see the new changes compared to the initial tooth positions, click on the Initial Current or I/C button at the bottom of the screen. This tool acts as a toggle when clicked to see what movements have been applied to your treatment plan. As always, make sure to turn on your collision check icon at the top before ordering to make sure you don't have any unwanted spaces or collisions. If you're not satisfied with the tooth movement, you're able to hold Control and press the letter Z on your keyboard to undo the latest movement. Alternatively, you can clear out the movement for just one tooth by selecting it and clicking the undo arrow in the Tooth Movements box to the left.